Okay. So this is case 1, single object x equal to 10, one object created. Case 2, x equal to 10, y equal to 20, two different objects, two different variables with two different values, two different objects with two different addresses, right? X is 10, y is 10, only one object. X equal to 10, x equal to 20 means yes, two different objects, but the previous one gets removed. Now coming to this data types, right? Yes. Data types. Data types are of two types.
Excuse me, Vijay, I have a doubt.
Yes.
Where we are going to use case 3 and case 4 in real time, like in any other projects?
Case 3 and case 4. For example, it's not only for integers, right? It's not only for integers, for strings or float values, anything, right? So for example, employee one salary 50,000. Employee two salary also 50,000. Employee three salary also 50,000. Means for all this, only one object created 50,000 with some address. Right? Means all these three objects would be created in the memory I'm talking. So if the values are same, only one object where exactly they are going to get stored. Means here where we are using real time means compulsorily without this data represented using data types, right? Any data you represent by using data types or variables. That's the salary or account number or employee ID or employee name or designation, everything you need to store. Employee ID equal to 101. One object created. Right? This case 3. If the salaries are same. Case 4 means employee 1 salary is 50,000 as of now. Later that's employee 1 as dot salary equal to his salary got incremented to 70,000. Is this P11? Okay, P11 gets removed. This only will be existing. Case 4. Fundamental data types and collection data types. Fundamental data types means object holding single value. Object holding single value. Example, x value equal to 10. Object holding single value, right? X value equal to 10. One object gets created. An object gets created with value 10 with some address. The address is given to x. Here object holding single value. Here object holding single value. Collection data type set holding object holding group of values. So here fundamental data types means object holding single value. Collection data type means the name itself saying collection of values, group of values, multiple values, right? Here x equal to 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. One object is going to get created. One object gets created, right? Multiple values 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. This address is given to x. Object holding single value, right? Object holding group of values, object holding group of values, and object holding single value. Fundamental data types, 5 types. Fundamental data types mainly are of 5 types. Int, float, boolean, string, complex. Age 25, float, height 6.3, something in decimals, right? Boolean means which returns either true or false. True or false. T should be in uppercase, false F should be in uppercase. It's case sensitive, right? String means sequence collection of characters. For example, city equal to whatever you want to give as a string, keep it in the double quotes. Hyderabad, right? So sequence collection of characters. Complex. In general mathematics, that we say x plus iy, but in Python instead of I use j as an imaginary part, right? And the collection data types, 4 types of collections, 4 types, right? Collection data types, 4 types. List, tuple, set, dictionary, right? List, tuple, set, and dictionary. List represented by using square bracket, tuple by using normal braces, set by using right. Curly braces, dictionary by using key and value, right? Yes. Ten, 20, 30, 40. So squared bracket, by seeing the braces only, you should identify what type of collection it is, right? Squared bracket, list, normal braces, it's tuple type, set by using curly braces. A dictionary, if you observe this dictionary, right? Yes. P equal to, right? Name, Ajay. Age, 25. See this name Ajay means this is key and value. Age 25 is nothing but key and value. Key is age, value is 25. Name Ajay means key and value. Key value types. Okay. Now, So whenever we install Python, go to the start programs, check where your Python is available within this all apps. Scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, right? Python 3.11, right? 3.11. IDLE, right? IDLE. File, okay, this opens in interactive mode, right? If you want to work with batch mode, file, new file, you should say, right? So here, fundamental data types. For example, X value 10, Y is 4.5, Z is hello, W equal to true, P equal to 3 plus 4J, right? X equal to, right? Print X comma type of X. What will be the type of X? Try to respond. Type of X. Print X, it prints the value. Type will be what type?
Okay.
Type of X. As you assign integer value to X, type of X will be int type. Type of Y.
Float.
Y comma type of Y. Type of Y will be float type. As you assign float value to it, type of Y is going to be float. Z comma type of Z. Type of Z is what? String type. Type of Z will be string type. As you assign string value to it, type of Z will be string type. Print W comma type of W comma type. Type of W is what type? Bool type. Print P comma type of P comma type of P. Type of P is what type? Complex type, complex numbers, right? Just observe these outputs. X value 10, what type? Integer. 4.5 is what type? Float. Hello is what type? String. True is what type? Boolean type. 3 plus 4 is what type? Complex type. So here, what value you are assigning, based on that, the data types are going to, variables are going to get created.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Sir, is Python is and K types and case sensitive, sir?
Case sensitive, uppercase, lowercase will be taken differently.
Oh, okay, sir.
Now, we have got a lot of discussion on string data types, string indexing, string slicing, string indexing, string slicing, string functions, string methods, and string special characters, right? What is a string? A string is a sequence collection of characters. It's a sequence collection of characters. In Python, if you talk of in Python, a string is represented using, in Python, a string is represented using, right, single quote, Second, using double quote. A string is represented using single quote, using double quote, and also by using triple quote. A string represented using single, double, and triple quote. Single quote, double quote, or triple quote. When to go for single or double quote means for single line strings. For the single line string, go for single or double. For multiple lines, right? Multiple lines like paragraph, go with triple quote. Each character within the string, each character within the string each character within the string is represented or accessed by a unique index. Each character within the string is represented or accessed by a unique index. String supports two types of indexes. String supports two types of indexes. Each character within the string is represented or accessed by unique index. String supports two types of indexes. Positive index or forward index. Positive index or forward index starts from left to right. Index starts with 0. Positive index or forward index starts from left side to right side. Index starts with 0. Negative index or backward index. Negative index or backward index, right? Yes. Starts from right to left. Index starts with -1. Index starts with a -1, right? Yes. String supports two types of indexes, positive index or forward index. Starts from left to right. Index starts with 0. Negative index or backward index starts from right to left. Index starts with -1. Now just observe this diagram, right? So whenever we assign some variable, right? Whenever you define x equal to Python, right? String means something within the double quotes or single quote or triple quote. Anything within the quotes, we call it like a string. For string x equal to Python, one object gets created. An object gets created. Observe this. P Y T H O N 103090, right? This address is given to X. Zero 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6. Okay, so this is a positive index or this is positive index or forward index, positive index or forward index. This negative index or backward. Negative index or backward index, positive index or forward, negative index or backward. So here both Python supports both kinds of indexes. Forward index from left side to right side, negative index from right side to left side. What is the value? Everyone try to answer. What is the value of x? X is the string name. What is the third index to character? What is the third index to character? X of 3.
Four.
What is it? X of 3?
No.
H.
H.
H. X of -3 is what?
H.
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 This is
H.
also H, right? X of -5.
Y.
Why?
Y.
So you may ask, already we have got positive index, right? Already we have got positive index. What is the necessity of negative index? Right? Everything you can access by using positive index. By negative index means if you got a very big a string with above 100 characters, above 100, right? I want to print the last character. How can you print using positive index? How to print the last character means? So that's why.
Get the size.
So go for negative index, right? Directly -1. X of -1 gives the last character directly.
So we can't take. Okay. From positive side, we can take the length of the size, no?
Yes, that you can take. First, you want to know the length. After printing that length -1. Okay, now observe here, right? Single line string, single line string, right? Using has multiple lines of string start with triple quote, end with triple quote. See, multiple single line comments. This multi-line comment start with triple quote, end with triple quote. X equal to Python. X equal to Python. Print X prints the string, right? Print X prints the type of X is what type? Type of X will be str, string type, str, right? Len of X, len of X is what? Number of characters, right? Length is what? 6. Length of X is 6. Print X Python, type of X is what type? str string type. Len of X is 6. Len of X is 6 number of characters within the string. I'm writing a comment for your understanding. Number of characters. X equal to Python, Y equal to programming. X equal to Python, Y equal to programming. Print X plus Y. Concatenation. What is it? X plus Y means concatenation. Adding two strings. Adding to two strings. Concatenation, adding two strings. First string followed by second string. Observe here, right? Print X plus Y concatenation, right? Adding two strings. First string followed by second string. Right.
So
What
Vijay,
type
in
string?
Python,
Yes.
comment is represented by as.
Yes.
Okay.
Single line comment. So here Python programming X plus Y, right? Python plus adding first string followed by second string. If you want space between X is one string, Y is one string, between them I want some space, one blank string. Here adding three strings, one blank string between. So now you get Python space programming. Python space programming. In Python, single line comment with hash symbol. Multi-line comment start with triple quote, end with triple quote. All these are not executable. And the single line comment is not executable. Now observe this string slicing. String slicing, right? Extracting particular extracting particular portion of a string. X equal to Python program. X equal to Python program, right? Yes. Print X prints the entire string Python program, right? Now try to answer. Extract only Python from this. Extract only Python from this. Try to answer, everyone. I want to extract only Python. Print.
Why?
Extract only Python. X of
Why?
Except for
0. Start
except for
with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Start with 0 to 0 to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What I should say? 0 to
four.
0 to
Four.
6. 0 to 6. Are you getting Python or not? Python you got right. So this we got like lower bound, this we got like upper bound. Always upper bound is excluded. Always upper bound is excluded. If you give 5 here, 5 gets excluded. Actually 0 to 5 only, right? If I give 5 here, 5 gets excluded. Up to 4 only it can stay. N will be missing. If you give 6, 6 will be excluded. Up to 5 only it will consider. Python you will get 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
So any method is there like substring or like that?
Many methods are there. For not only one, many methods are there in strings, right? We'll be discussing. Upper, lower, capitalize, title, split, strip, starts with, ends with, join, find, right? Replace. We have got many string methods out there. We'll be discussing one by one, right?
What he wants.
Single quotes when we use it.
Any query?
Single quotes. Single quotes when we use
What is that?
single quotes, double quote, triple quote is there, right?
Single quote, double quote, you are talking. Mhm.
Yeah, yes, yes.
Say single quote, double quote for single line strings, single line, triple quote for multiple lines. But you may ask singular, double. Okay, you can use anywhere singular, double for single line string. But nested strings with string within a string, string within a string. So, for example, if you are taking a double quote, within a double quote, again you cannot give a double quote. We cannot take double quotes here. In such case, within the double quote, you can take single quote. So okay. So single quote or double quote for single line string, any single line you can go with single or double. For multiple lines or for paragraph, you can go for triple quote. Now try to say extract the middle portion of the string. This I want this 4 characters. Extract this 4 characters. Right? Extract. Try to say everyone. Extract this 4 characters. PROG. Try to answer. Yes. You can just unmute yourself and you try to give your responses. Otherwise, you can type your query in the chat panel. Yes.
7 to 11, sir.
Yes. 7 to
11, sir.
Yes. 7 to 11.
11. Yeah.
7 to 11. So even the space also takes an index, right? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Start with 7, 7, 8, 9, 10. I need to give 11. 11 excludes up to 10 it takes, right? PROG you get, right? PROG. For example, if I write in the opposite way, 7 to 11, instead of 7 to 11, 11 to 7, if I x of 11 to 7, opposite. 7 to 11, PROG. 11 to 7.
GURB.
So here it gives empty string. 1 second, empty string it gives. Because always slicing in forward direction. Because always slicing in the forward direction. It returns empty string if you go in backward direction. Means PROG, previously it was extracted like this, it's fine, but 11 to 7 means if you are going in backward, always returns an empty string. Now extract PROG using negative index. Everyone try to answer. Extract PROG using negative index.
0, no, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7. So negative. So
Can I see?
it will be
-4 to -8.
-4 to -8.
Minus
-4 to
4 to
-8.
-8.
to minus.
-4 to -8 is wrong. You are going in backward direction. It returns empty string. Using negative index also should go in forward direction only. You are going in backward direction. Empty string it returns.
-8 to -4, sir. Then.
-8. Check it once.
No.
Start.
-8, -9 to
Minus. It starts with -1. -1.
-1, -5. -7 to -5.
-1.
-9 to -5.
-2, -3.
-4 to -8.
No.
5, 6, 8, 2, 4,
-14 to -9.
No.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
-7 to -4. No.
Minus
7 to -3.
7 to -4.
-7 is
-7 to
correct.
Seven
-7
-4.
-3.
-3, yes.
-3.
-3. Yeah. Yeah.
Here -1, -2,
-2,
-3, -4, -5,
4,
-6.
-5, -6, -7.
Minus
Okay,
seven,
-7.
-7 you want, -6 you want, -5 you want, -4 you want.
Yeah.
So -4 if
Will
you
be
give,
excluded, sir.
so minus
Excluded. -3. Yeah.
So you can see this, right? Run model. Previously it has given empty string. Now PROG, right? Yes. Next, extract the entire word program. Extract the entire word program using positive index. You say, I want to extract the entire word program using positive index. You say first x of everyone try to
1,
answer.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
7 to 14. Yeah, 7 to 13.
7 to
2, 1, no. So 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15, 7 to 15.
here 7, 8, 9, see here, just 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So what I should
8,
say?
10, 11, 12, 13,
Nothing is
14,
there, sir.
14, 14.
Up to 13, nothing is
7 to 13, if I give 13 means the same gets
9,
excluded.
10,
and 7 to
11,
14, sir. Yeah, 7 to 14.
14.
7 to 14, sir.
It's a 7 to 14.
7 to 14, right?
Yeah.
So the space is not.
14th index is not available.
Yes, sir.
14th index is not available.
No, it's 0 to 13.
14th index is not available, right? So up to 13. 13 if I give, M gets excluded, right? If I give 13, M gets. Can I give 14 as 14 index not available? Yes. Because 14th we are not trying to access. Up to 13 only it takes, right? 7 to 13 only it will consider. It gives, right? Program. Otherwise, the easiest way of accessing this is print x of 7 colon. Don't give the upper bound. Ignore the upper bound. From 7th index to it will slice the remaining part of the string up to 14, right? Up to 13.
Okay, sir. Automatic.
Can I ignore this lower bound also in the same manner? X of I want to give the lower bound. I will give 6 here. Is it valid?
Yeah, it will take from 0.
Yeah, if you're not giving the
Test.
lower bound, it will start
Start
from
from
the start of the string to 6 excluded up to 5. These both are same, right? This and this. This and this both are same.
Yes.
What if I ignore both lower and upper? If I ignore both, x of lower bound is not given, upper bound is not given.
the full line.
Entire string, right? Python
Yeah.
program.
Okay.
Is it compulsory to use spaces here?
Yes, sir.
Print x of, I'm not giving the spaces here. Is it valid or not?
No. I think not valid.
Both results the same. Both results the same output.
Okay.
Python program, right? So similar to print x. similar to print x. These three statements results the same output. X of 0 to remaining, x of 0 to remaining, right? Yes. These four statements results the same. Yes, four statements results the same output, right? Yes. Now, x of 0 to 14, to what is this? So here I'm writing a comment. First, what is 0? Start value.
Start value.
And this 14 is like stop value.
Yeah.
Next is 2 is step value. Step value means increment by 2. Means I doesn't want all the indexes. I want 0 to 14 with the increment of 2. Means what are the indexes it takes? 0, 2, 4,
2,
6,
6,
8, 10, 12. 0 to 14 with the increment of 2, with a step of 2. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 excluded. If 0 index means what? P. 2,
P.
T. Next.
O.
O. Next. Space. Next. R.
R.
G.
G.
A.
A.
Yes.
Okay.
So here next observe this and try to answer. 0 to 14. 0 to 14 means can I say colon colon? Colon I can say or not? The same. 0 to 14 means colon I can say.
Yes.
This one. Again, this colon as this I'll keep again.
Yes, sir.
So both are same.
Yes.
Yeah.
Sir.
Yes,
This
sir.
and this, both are same, right? Results the same output.
Yeah.
So here, okay. Now if I give 1 second, I'll come back to this. Can I give the combination of negative and positive index like this? Can I give print x of -7 to 11? Can I give one is negative, one is positive? Is it valid?
Not well.
-7 to -7 means this P, 11 means this R, right? -7 means this, 11 means this.
Yes.
P
Yeah.
or OG, right?
No,
It's going in the
Yeah,
forward. It's going in the forward direction.
forward direction. Yeah.
Yeah, P or OG you get, right? Yes.
Yeah.
P or OG you got, right? Yes. Next. Now observe this print x of colon colon -1, right? X of colon colon -1. What is the output you get? So it reverses the elements of it. Reverses the elements. Reverses the elements of a. Reverses the string otherwise. Reverses the string.
See.
So if you see, observe this output, right? PYTHON
Okay.
ROGRAM, right? Reverses it. So there is a technical, there is a word called palindrome. Have you heard about this palindrome, right? Palindrome. Can anyone say? Palindrome. If we reverse a string, if we reverse a given string, if we reverse a given string, for freshers, most of the time in the interviews, they ask, right, what do you mean by a palindrome? If we reverse a given string, we need to, if we get the same string, if we reverse a given string, if we get the same string, if we get the same string, then it is a palindrome. If we reverse a given string, if we get the same string, then it is a palindrome. Example of palindrome, anyone?
Word Malayalam.
Madam, M-A-D-A-M. If you reverse also, you will get madam only, right? Malayalam, right? If you reverse also, you will get Malayalam only.
Nitin.
And Nitin, N-I, will you get the same? No.
Nitin, not H. Then it will be same.
Without it, sir. Yeah.
Nitin, right? Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. So in this way, right? For example, x equal to M-A-D-A-M, right? Print x, it prints the same, right? Print x. And if you reverse it, how to reverse? This is what I said, reversing, right?
Y equal to x of colon minus 1.
Yes. Store the result in y. Y equal to this. If we get the same, right? Then it's a palindrome. If both results the same, right? X and y both resulting the same. Print y here. Run module, right? Madam and madam, right? Yes. So just I'll take 5 minutes more. String methods. String methods, right? First, like we have got a method like upper to print the string in uppercase. For example, right? X equal to, I'm taking a city name Hyderabad, right? Print x dot upper, everything it prints in uppercase. That's it. Check it. Yes, right? Next, for example, lower, right? To print in lowercase. Print the string, to print the string in lowercase, to print the string in lowercase. X equal to, for example, Mumbai. Print x dot lower. X dot lower, right? So Mumbai is in uppercase, it prints in lower. Just try to observe this third one. X equal to India, INDIA, right? But I want only the first character, I only to be in uppercase, remaining all in the lower cases. Only the first character. How can I write it? Yes.
Comma 0.
X dot.
X of 0 dot upper.
0.
Observe this.
Capitalize. Okay.
Capitalize is the method, right? So it capitalizes only the first character only. X dot capitalize, only capitalizing the first character of the string. All right. What is that method? Capitalize. For capitalizing the first character, capitalizing the first character of a string. For capitalizing the first character of a string, right? Yes.
If you want to capitalize the even places, then
Any random letter.
Random letter, if you want this D to be capitalized. Slicing you do first. These two. Slicing. Plus from here to here you slice it dot capitalize.
Okay.
Do you get it?
So like in Hyderabad, we want to capitalize only the even places like second, like that time you printed no two
Alternates.
yeah, alternate one if you want to print the uppercase.
You want every alternative, right? Print x of 0 colon 14 colon 2. You won't get like that. No. You need to write the code for it. You will get only even characters. You will get only even.
Ah.
You won't get odd characters right here.
Yes.
So we need to write code for it using for loop or while loop, right? But but in generally in the real-time use cases, we won't get like, but we'll have this kind of use case, right? Y equal, for example, x equal to, you'll get good morning, Hyderabad. How many words are there? How many words?
3 words.
3 words, right? Every word, first character I want in uppercase. This G in uppercase, M in uppercase, H in uppercase. If you got a very big sentence, if there are 10 words, every word, first character in the uppercase. Yes, now how can I do? If I say capitalize, only thing with G appears in uppercase.
Yes.
I say
0, 5, 13.
X dot title, that's it.
Title.
Dot title, that's, check it now. G in uppercase, M in uppercase, H in uppercase. If you got a very big paragraph of 100 words, first character will be in uppercases. Title. For capitalizing, the first character, right, of each word. Yes. Next, for example, you may ask where this title can be useful in the real time. Means one more, employees I am taking. Employee names are like this: Rohit, Ajay, Blake, Miller, James, Amar. So in this way, 100 employee names are there. Every employee name, first character should be in uppercase, right? Print emps dot title. Rohit all in uppercase, Ajay, Blake, Miller, James, Amar. All that names in uppercase, right?
Any method like character at I or like that similar, so that for loop we'll use, and that of that I we can iterate by and dot capitalize it will do like.
No, only indexing you can use, indexing.
Okay.
For example, there is a method like replace. We can use replace for replacing a portion, of a string. X equal to, I'm saying like Java is easy. Print X dot replace the word Java with Python. What is the output you get? Python is easy. For example, Java is easy and Java is simple. Will it replace each and every occurrence of Java?
Yes.
Yes, every occurrence of Java is replaced with Python. Python is easy and Python is simple. Python is easy and Python is simple, right? Yes. Okay, so you can see Python is, so in this way we have got many more methods. In the next session also our discussion will be on strings, right? We have got many more methods, swap case, format method, find method, split method, strip method, starts with, ends with, join method. Many methods are there. String, we have got string functions, string special characters, right? So the next session also will be discussing many more methods, functions, and string special characters. And tomorrow we will have a session, right? Tomorrow, sorry, everyone fine for having session tomorrow, Saturday?
Yes, sir.
Fine. So tomorrow
Yes, sir.
same time.
Yes.
Generally Saturday you won't have session, but Monday to Friday. But from tomorrow, instead of giving a break, so tomorrow we'll have a session same time at 6 o'clock. But the link will be changing, right? Tomorrow the link will be changed. You are supposed to get enrolled. Fine. So you can see that there is a message given in the chat, right? Any contact details of that online team, and
So I had a question. So in parallel, you told that Django classes will be there, right? What are the times on Saturday and Sunday? IST timings.
IST timings, right? So it's 10 o'clock.
10 o'clock morning.
Yes.
Oh, that's too late for CS.
Mhm. Starts
Oh,
at
thank
9. Okay, it's the next
So
step.
Vijay, so when we'll get that the new link?
What is it?
Means when we'll get that new link? Because we already enrolled. Means I already enrolled, but I didn't receive any.
Yes, yes.
new link.
Today evening, a new link will be created by this online team. They'll be forwarding to all, right, who got enrolled. And here you can see, don't forget, if you're done with the payment, don't forget to share your payment screenshot to
Yeah.
DURGASOFT online training @gmail.com. They are specified in that, right? In this chart, you can copy it. Fine. And those who wants to go parallelly with Django, right? Not only this, next if coming batch, if there is a new batch starting at any time, right? You can just attend my match. So during this Python going parallelly, any of my Django batch you can attend, right? Parallel.
Sir, what about that MySQL class? Start it as soon as possible.
We are just started with the
Actually, sir, I lost 2 opportunities in job actually, sir. I'm looking for a job change. That's why I lost 2 opportunities in that case. They were asking that if you have 3-4 experience, please come like that. That's why, sir.
Okay. But immediately it's not, but it takes some time, like 1 week to 10 days.
Yes, sir. Okay. 1 week, please.
Sir, anytime Django class is started, we can join, right? There is no issue. Right?
What is it?
Anytime Django class is started, then we can join, right? We won't, I think, whatever we done, right, that is enough, right? I think.
Yes, any so once you got enrolled, you can attend any of my Django batch, right?
Yes, Python is not yet completed, right? I think.
Python, okay, not a problem, right? It means immediately I won't start with Django framework, HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, JavaScript will be discussed initially. Then I'll go with Django. By the time your Python core gets completed, right? Fine. So you can attend Django parallel also, not a problem. You are not going to write huge codes there, even in Django. Everything, that code will be pre-available, right? The .py files. So your Google Pay number, right? You can just.
And sir, regarding today's session, sir, please let us know about this alternate capitalization of this Hyderabad, like it's written HDRB in capital form in the next class.
Not a problem. We can do it, but we need to have a lot of knowledge on loops.
Loops for those while loops. Okay, sir.
Yes. Fine.
That tomorrow class timing is 10 o'clock.
Tomorrow 6 to 7, same typing.
Same time. Okay.
Link is also same link for tomorrow class.
Tomorrow
Evening they will generate.
link will be changed, right?
Yeah.
Tomorrow the link is changed, and those you are supposed to get enrolled with this course. So you'll be getting a new link to your mail ID. To your mail ID, right? Yes, whatever mail ID you have joined this meeting, or whatever, through whatever mail ID you are forwarding the screenshot of your payment to that mail ID, you will be getting the link. Right?
Sir, on Sunday class will be there.
No, Sunday there won't be any class. Again,
Complete break.
and again on Monday, right?
Okay, sir. Okay, thank you very much.
Fine.
Thank you.
Any other queries, right?
Not yet, sir. Thank you.
So you can.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.